TEM stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Tempus AI, great 14.5% increase in price. What I'm going to look to do is just zoom out and just kind of show you where we exactly are. Okay, before I get into the details, whatever, I'm a big fan of the current position where we're in. Look, I've been in the market for 4.5 years, spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and done 39,000 videos for reps. So I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Got a break even here. That's that. I'm gonna get rid of it because it's just in the way. And finally today started seeing this increase in price. How this is gonna look like is if, well, it does pull down and then it does show me some sort of shift, I'm gonna look to buy. But other than that, this is all pure noise. So that's how TEM is looking like. What I'll keep doing in the meantime is I'll keep waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.